If you're hosting a 4th of July backyard bash or attending one, you're probably thinking about what to serve or what to bring. One thing that often gets overlooked are the munchies. So let me share with you an easy idea that'll be very welcome. We start by combining some softened cream cheese with a good amount of mayonnaise, a bit of Parmesan cheese, a little garlic powder, and a splash of lemon juice. Now we mix that until it's well combined before adding some frozen chopped spinach that we've thawed and drained, a few roasted peppers that we've also drained, and bacon bits to give this some smokiness. Once it's mixed, we spread it onto some flour tortillas and roll them up jelly roll style before wrapping them in plastic wrap. After chilling them in the fridge for a bit, they're ready to slice and serve. Just imagine how welcome they'll be while everyone's waiting for the burgers and dogs to come off the grill. You may even want to make a double batch because these have a tendency to disappear fast. To get this easy as can be recipe, all you have to do is go to our website and type in Spinach Dip Rollups. So whether you're hosting or attending a party this weekend, these should definitely be on your what to serve list. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a super popular way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.